Hi boys and girls, I hope everybody is doing well. Miss Vitali here just to give you a little bit of information about the work for this week. So first activity is that you have new spelling or vocabulary words for the week. So week 29 and 30, I have added the worksheets here. Remember boys and girls, I always would like for you to complete the questions at the end, okay? And then you got to complete the worksheet and then write a sentence at the end as well. We move on. Geronimo oral. If you have not finished reading your Geronimo book, please continue doing so. If you finished your Geronimo oral, if you've been practicing for a long time and you feel as though you're ready, well, Miss Vitali has created a Google Doc where you can sign up and present to me this week. The day is going to be on Thursday. It starts from 1 o'clock and it goes all the way till around 2:30. So what I've done is I've given you a time slot and see they go every 5 minutes. So if you're ready, you say, yeah, I'm ready to present. You place your name. Let's say it's Leah, then it's Mateo, then it's Mia, then it's Raphael, and so forth, okay? You write your name in the time slots here, right? I ask that you write the names in order, okay? Don't have somebody write 1 o'clock and then 1:35. There's not going to be a gap, okay? Not everybody is ready, but if you are ready, sign up. And then what I'm going to do is during the Zoom, I will call out your name. Now, if you can see, there's 5 minutes time slots. That means that you can't go over 5 minutes with your oral. Miss Vitali needs to move on, okay? So, put your name down over here. Same goes from 2 o'clock till 2:35. You add your name, and then afterwards, Ms. Vitali will call you out. Now, this is for classes 201, 202, and 203. You can sign up during those time slots. Everybody is welcome to listen. I'll call out your name, I'll unmute you, and then it'll be your turn to start talking. You present your oral, and then everybody else is listening as well. Okay, that's only if you're ready. I'm going to continue doing this for the month of May until we get to the last week of May, which is when the orals were supposed to happen anyways. Okay, moving on. Writing activity. Yay, you wrote your introduction. You wrote your body paragraphs. Okay, now we're at the conclusion. The conclusion is the ending, the closing of your story. Again, it is based on the 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, and why. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your closing sentence. Miss Vitali's closing sentence was, hopefully next time there will be no mistake. I decided to write out the 5 W's, answer the questions in a bunch of words, and then place them into sentences. So the paragraph ended up looking like this. Hopefully next time there will be no mistake. Mrs. Vitali would appreciate no error in her McDonald's order. She was in a rush to return back to work. She only had a few minutes during her lunch break. Cross our fingers, it won't happen again. Okay? I've indicated the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why, so you get a better idea of where it was placed in the paragraph. Now, it could be, like Miss Vitali, that you have some of the W's in one sentence. That's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to have one sentence per W, okay? That's why I say it's between 3 to 5 sentences. You write your conclusion right on this document. Then you move on to number 4. Number 4 is based on iExcel. I have given you 3 sections. Section L, right over here, section U, and section O to complete. These are not to complete by the end of this week. Please do not do that. This is to complete by the end of the school year. So when you think, oh, okay, I haven't finished section L, perfect, I don't remember what it's about, well, you can go to the videos. Miss Vitali has added YouTube videos here for you. You watch them as a refresher so that you're ready to complete the section. Same goes for section U and section O. Now remember, boys and girls, please do not finish this all this week. It's not worth it, okay? You need to finish it by the end of the school year. Final activity of this week, it's Mother's Day at the end of this week. So I would like for you to create a video answering these 9 questions here, okay? I would recommend writing these questions down on a piece of paper answering them so that you're ready to record yourself saying those questions. If you want, you can use these questions to then create your own card, okay, that you can give mom on Mother's Day. If you don't want to create a card, no big deal. You can just simply show her the video that you created. You can pop your video or add your video, in your folder in Shobi. I'll take a look, and it's also something that you can save and share and provide to mom as well. Okay? Very simple. Questions numbers 1 to number 6. You just have to answer the question or finish the sentence. Number 7, 8, and 9 are a little bit different. You have to add a word in the middle where this blank spot is and then finish the sentence. So, my mom has done blank for me and it makes me feel special because blah, blah, blah. So, for example, my mom has done my laundry for me and it makes me feel special because she takes the time to help me with housework around my house. Number 8, my mom has brought me blank and it was the best because, etc., etc. My mom has brought me chocolates and it was the best because it was on my birthday. Okay? Do you understand? You have to fit a word in this blank spot here and then finish the sentence. All right. So those are the activities of the week. Fairly simple in a sense that everything is detailed here for you. Try to go, one at a time, and don't feel like you have to rush through everything. I always add extra activities along the way, so keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, take it easy. Try to get some outside time too. And I hope that I get to see your faces soon. Okay? Big kiss, big hug.